Hello, this video will show you how to use the new grading features in the new Google form. Create MCQ in Google Forms and have students quickly see their result. Google form will mark the test you have created. First log in using official Gmail ID as I have already logged in and we are in our Drive section. For creating a new form, just click on a new button right up here. From here you can choose more Google form from a template. Under this template section, choose education section and blank quiz. This is the education section. Choose blank quiz. It's opening. Name the file here like UT. Give title to your form. AI UT1 for class. Now you want to receive the name of the student. Change, write here name and make it type short answer. Make it to required. Student must have to fill this. Remove the answer key because we don't need any point for that. Make it done. If you want to conduct or you will conduct this test in more than one section, so you need to receive the section of the student also. So add one more question with the help of plus symbol. Write here section. A, add all. It will add all the section, make it required and change into multiple choice or drop down option. Both the ways it will work. Now I'm just going to make up a question and add some output option for the answer. If you already have some MCQ, you can also copy and paste over here. Just as I have a MCQ in my Word document, I copy the question from here, paste it here. Now choose the options. Or you can type here also. Now when I click on the answer key, all I have to do is select the correct answer and you can see the check mark goes against cross on it. This is the slider for the marks. You can make it a 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker. So I want to give 1 point, but you can change this by changing or by clicking up and down arrow key also, like this, to make 2 marker, 3 marker, and you can change any time here. Now I'm going to click on add some answer feedback option. For this portion, for example, in incorrect answer, so if they get an incorrect answer, maybe you could give some extra information to why their answer is incorrect and they would get that response. Or if they have correct answer, you may have to write something, giving them some extra information on it, or maybe it's just a good job. So I'm not going to do any of these on this one here. I just click on cancel. Now I'm going to add another question. The first programming language was called can make it as a drop down also. Answer key, take this, make it 1 point, done. Now going to preview, make it required if you want to student have to attempt this question. I'm going to preview my form by clicking on a preview button. Okay, it's okay. Now I'm going to do some basic setting for the form. This is the setting button just adjacent to the send. Click on it. If you want to collect the email addresses of the responses, make it active. Limit to 1 response. Don't require sign in option. Now go to quizzes. If they want to see their missed question, make it active. If they want to see the correct answer, point value, so on. Now make it save. Without saving, the changes are not appeared in your form. Now click on save. I am going to attempt my question. Now before that, check the responses tab. If you want to receive the response of a new sheet, click on it. It create a response sheet UT in your drive. Now click on create. It creating a spreadsheet with the name UT in your drive. Now I'm going to attempt the form. For example, I'm writing my email ID, writing the name. To section B, making this, using list, submit. If you want to screw, you screw. It's my wrong answer. The first row is the correct answer. If you want this is displaying the correct answer also, making a machine intelligent. Now I will show you how to add this form into your classroom. Now I will show you how to add a form into your classroom. Go to the Google App Launcher, choose Classroom. Choose the class in which you will conduct an online exam. Go to the classwork tab. Create assignment. Give the title to your exam like it is Unit Test 1. Unit Test 1. Subject Artificial Intelligence. Give the instructions, write instruction for attempting the question paper. Now add the Google form which you have prepared earlier. Click on Google Drive. I have prepared my drive. I have a question paper. Choose this, add. Make this option active. If it is like this, means it is inactive. Click on it, turn into a blue. Now assign the points. Suppose it is a 20-mark MCQ. Make it 20 marks. Okay. Now due date. Suppose you will conduct this test on tomorrow, 7th or 8th or 9th, whatever date on you want to conduct. Choose that particular date. schedule the time. Suppose it should be appeared on 9. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Create a topic like UT test, create topic exam, so that student will be able to see your exam under this tab exam. Now schedule the test. If you conduct the same test in more than one section, choose the section from here. Like we want to conduct the same test on 9th, 11th, 8th. Choose all these section from here. It automatically schedule for opted section. Now you have scheduled the test. Click on it. Suppose you want to schedule it on 11th of May at 9 a.m. Click on schedule. Now it will appear as a schedule event under examination tab, as we have created a topic examination. So on 11th of May this test will be appear in the stream tab of every student under examination tab. Now I'm tell you how you will import the grade. Now go to the grade session. Now I will show you how to import grade in your grade books. Click on the grade tabs of your classroom. As I have assigned my AI trial test to only one student, that is Sparsh Kaushal, click on his name, view detail. As he has submitted his test, there is an option import grade. As he has turned in means he has submitted the test. Now import grade. It will import the grade in your grade book. It's importing. So he has scored 8 out of 10. In this way you can import grade in your grade book. Now I will tell you how the exam will appear in student classroom. Your exam will appear under examination topic of the student classwork like this. There is an AI trial test. Click on it. View assignment. Now student have to attempt the test. Type their name here. Choose the section. Now submit the test. We can view the score by clicking on it. They have to here. Now I'll show you how to import grade. As one student have attempted the question, it make it turn in. We have assigned to a 1, now it is assigned to a 0. For importing a grade, click on this import grade. It automatically calculate the grade and the grade will appear in this section. Now this is saved. If you send it back, in this way you can import grade in your grading part. This is the student work. Hope you like the tutorial and that will help you in your learning journey.